Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete items in your cart on the Nike Store application. So how do you delete items in your cart on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, go to your cart. To do this, tap the cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. A screen like this will appear. Next, long press the item you want to delete. Two menu options will appear. Next, tap Remove from Cart. You can see that the item has been successfully deleted. So, that's it for this tutorial on how to delete items in your cart on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.